There is a new opportunity to make money in blockchain. You can make money even during bear market, during bull market. You don't need to learn trading. You don't need to join my private group, buy my signal. It's free to start and you just need to watch this video. Everyone already knows about traditional domains like google.com, search.com, translate.com. Basically, these domains are like real estate in the digital world. Anyone can buy the domain and sell later to anyone who bids the most money. Imagine how much money you could have made if you owned business.com back in time. You can imagine any reputable company will bid their money to buy this domain from you and to take the ownership from you. Nowadays, almost all of those domains are occupied. You could still think of some domain names. It's not much because the space is occupied for almost 40 years. However, there is a space called blockchain. You know it's new and not everyone knows about blockchain domains yet. Coinbase, reputable tier 1 exchange based in US, launched their own blockchain-based domains based on smart contracts. It's called .base. It's totally free to register. You can get as many domains as you want and make sure you grab the good domain names that you can sell for high value later. Ethereum native blockchain has their own domain names called Ethereum Name Service or ENS2. It costs around $10 to get your first domain name. The growth trajectory of blockchain space is huge, then probably you're going to make lots of money depending on the value of your domain and how many domains you have. It takes few clicks, free to register. Right now I have platform.base, auditor.base, and some other domain names that I think will be worth some good amount of value in the future or even right now. You can find the link in the bio, watch the video step-by-step tutorial, how to register your first domain, how to hold that, how to sell that later. So don't worry, don't stress. If you have anything, just ask me in the comments. See you in my next video.